When it comes to assembly management, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central lets you supply assembly items in two different ways: assemble to stock and assemble to order, both of which are available in the Delivered Assembly Management Extra Pack. In this video, we'll be looking specifically at assemble to stock. Now, this approach is suitable for standard items, such as package kits with no customization where maintaining a stock level is required. In general, any product that requires assembly that you want to keep on inventory. Assemble to stock orders can be initiated manually from the assembly orders list or through planning processes to support minimum stock levels. In this scenario, an assembly order is being created for an item that we sell individually, but will also serve as a component in other assembled products, making it necessary to keep available on inventory. For our example, this will be a chair made up of various components. This is our product that we're going to be assembling. It's an outdoor chair, and this is being configured in our system as assemble to stock for assembly. We'll be able to produce an assembly order for this item, and we'll be able to use it later on in our further examples. To assemble this item within Business Central, I'm going to create an assembly order. I'll go to the assembly orders page, and from here I can see any outstanding and existing assemblies I have ongoing, or I can create new ones by pressing New from across the top. Here I need to set what item I'm going to be assembling. We'll select our chair, and we then need to set the quantity for how many we're going to assemble. In this case, 5. Notice how this will automatically update a couple things. The quantity to assemble field will update to match the quantity. This is how many outstanding we have left to assemble still, and we haven't done any yet. It will also populate the lines down here with the items we need to put together to produce this final item. You'll notice that on the left-hand side, we have an availability warning field. This is quite handy because if any of these products that we need to assemble this final item are out of stock, this will give us an availability warning that we can click into to see when they should hopefully arrive into our warehouse. Down here in the lines, we can see the items we need to assemble together. We can see the quantity per and total quantity that we're going to need to actually put together the final amount of this item we're assembling. So we need 4 legs per chair, 1 body per chair, and 1 cushion. It'll give us the total amounts that we have to have if we're going to put together the final quantity. There are a number of other bits of information we can populate on the assembly order if necessary as part of our process, such as when the assembly will start and when the assembly will end. It'll show us ongoing information like the remaining quantity to assemble and how many have been assembled at this point. As we start assembling these items, we can use the quantity to consume column here to say how much of this product we've currently put together. To mark these 5 products as being assembled, all we need to do is post the assembly order in this case. If I go to post in the upper left and say yes, it will have put together those products, consuming the items needed to actually create it. It's worth mentioning at this point that if we were using warehousing as part of our solution, we'd have also had additional steps that would have been required. We're not covering warehousing for brevity's sake in this video, but if a part of our process or our solution required us to go pick those items before we assemble them together, we would have had to do those steps as well. We have other videos available that cover the warehousing processes as part of the delivered implementations. And that's how we can use the assemble to stock approach for assembly in Business Central. In our next video, we'll cover how we can use assemble to order for products we don't keep on inventory.